Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Infiniti QX70. First of all, what we need to do, go to settings, we make sure Bluetooth is on there, then we're watching out at the bottom, over to the system. You've got settings and telephone. I suppose there's a couple of ways you can do it. If there's nothing paired at the moment, and there's nobody in the car with the phone paired to the system, click telephone. There is no Bluetooth phone currently paired with the system. Would you like to pair a phone now? Yes. So it's a touch screen, so we can click yes there. And you'll see there, using your handset, look for a Bluetooth device called MyCar1. When requested by the handset, enter the pin 1234. So MyCar1 has come up. We'll click on that. We've got to put in the pin 1, 2, 3, 4, pair. That's it. Now it's done it. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Barry's iPhone connected. That's it done. You see there, MyCar1, that's connected.